my gorgeous, welcome back to Shivane's boutique, spreading colors globally. And this is Hema, and this week is going to be an exclusive week of Shivane's, as we are keep saying about the exclusive week of Shivane's. And today it's once again a pure handloom silk sarees, and these silk sarees are called as Kashmiri silk sarees because of the effect and the look. And actually it is silk saree, but still it is called as Kashmiri silk saree because the border is a thread border. These are all handloom silk, and you can see how the flow is so nice, so soft. I don't even have the feel that I'm wearing a saree. It's so nice. So let's start the colors in this. This is a beautiful color. Even the saree color is little different in the video. For the prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanesboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads you to that page. This is the saree as such, and such a beautiful color combination. All are thread. This is a thread silk. I mean this is the blouse part for this, and then the second saree is this. All are with beautiful color combination. See the color combination. It's so nice, and love this color. It's so pretty. The saree is very nice, and all our thread finish. There is no zari in this. Like, it's a dull finish saree, and a handloom, beautiful handloom silk saree. And then I will show this pattern first. See this once again. Lovely colors I have got in this. Such a beautiful, amazing sarees. These are all, see the color combination, and the saree color is as such, it's very pretty. And this is the blouse part for this. All right, and then that's it in that. And these are all beautiful handloom soft silk sarees. The flow is so amazing, and the design is so pretty and really unique. And this is the pallu part, and this is the blouse part for this. And one more color I have got in this is this, such a beautiful, brilliant yellow color. Yellow is always pretty, and the color combination is too good in this. The design is very stylish. All right, and once again, it's a beautiful, different saree. See, the saree as such is so nice and pretty. See this, and how the saree is. I'm showing it ulta bulta. Let me show it properly. See this, such a beautiful saree. It's a very stylish saree with a beautiful, amazing color combination. So pretty the saree is. Once again, purple color. How does it look? So surprising, is it? Is it not, guys? Such a lovely saree. See this color combination, and it's a one-side border with a beautiful flowers smiling at us. And this is the blouse part for this. And then this, see this. This episode is really an exclusive and stylish episode in silk saree collection. How stylish it is. Such a beautiful color. The colors are so nice and very different, unique color combination. And the concept is also very different. And this is my last saree with zari border, one side border. See the saree as such, it's very nice. Oh my god, how does it look on me? The color is so nice. Anyway, in this video, the color will be little different. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanesboutique.com. Else click the above link, which will straight away leads to you to that page. Hope you enjoyed seeing our collections. We'll be back with lots and lots more collections of silk sarees with different concepts. Thank you so much. Stay tuned with Shivane's boutique. Thank you so much, and stay safe, and bye bye.